Hello everyone, my name's Mike and I'm here to talk to you about magic arms. Let's jump into it. Okay, so what is a magic arm? A magic arm is a piece of equipment that can be attached onto a tripod or a camera cage, and what it consists is two 1/4 inch threads as well as a screw on top. This one here is the 7-inch, and then we've also got the big one with the 11-inch. Now the way that it works is that when you loosen this screw up, this becomes very adjustable. The nice thing with it is you can adjust it to how you like. As you can see on this one, I've got a clamp right on the end, and once you've set it into place, all that you do is just screw this down and that's it. That thing is not going to be moving. And like I said, you've got two different sizes, the 7-inch and the 11-inch. So what can it be used for? The main thing these things are used for is for different camera accessories. So as you can see, I've got mine set up for my microphone just to bring it that little bit closer if you don't have a boom mic or you don't have the space for a boom mic. This is a great way of setting it up. I've also set it up with a cage as well. So I've had two 7-inch magic arms attached to either side and then have two LED panels attached to the end of this. I find this really easy, as again, like I said, all that you got to do is just adjust it and then just place it where you like and then screw it back in, and that's it. It's ready to go. So why do I recommend the magic arms? The reason why is I think every photographer and filmmaker should have one of these, just in case. There will be a moment in time when you just wish you could bring something that little bit closer. You don't have a second tripod or anything like that. This can be folded away very, very easily. This is the 11-inch, and again, if you fold away the 7-inch, it is tiny, absolutely tiny. There's almost no reason why you can't put this in your bag. So this is why I recommend just going for one of these, or just grabbing yourself a couple of them. Now, the reason why I went for the new ones is just because they're a little bit more on the cheap side, and Doa also do a few of these as well. There's a lot of them, to be honest, they're all made in the same factory, and I've not yet come across any bad ones. I've got actually quite a few of them, so I'm a little bit addicted to these, don't know why, but they're really, really cheap. So I'll put a couple of links in the description if it is of interest. That's my quick rundown of the Magic Arm 7-inch and 11-inch. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. If you want to see another camera accessory, please leave a comment. But until then, I will see you in the next video. See you later, everyone.